bottom of the table. They need to rejuvenate and they need a fresh start in the new year. And what Baad as well.
Well, that is the first six, is it? Yes, it is. What a great shot. He's so strong on the onside towards that square leg bounce. He starts off with the ball way outside off. That's not what I would have wanted as a captain. Bilal, he's so good when he's bowling and attacking on the stumps. This one was easy picking.
Is breathtaking to the eyes as well. In the air for a while, taken. That's a straightforward, simple catch. Just when I was saying he would want the form of 2021 to continue. It's a soft dismissal. Prithvi Machi at point has looked very good.
That's gone high up in the air. Catch it is the call. Fielder will be there and he will take a comfortable catch. So all that ritual will not help if you're not focused. And put it. Oh, he steps down and he plays that one straight into the hands. Well, it's all about surviving, but they are not finding it easy to survive either. It's Amir Kaleem who's the lone warrior, standing and delivering for his team time and time again. And this time it's no different. One ball in the slot. He doesn't worry about the scorecard. He doesn't worry who the partner is. If it's in the slot, he'll
have to play his natural game, and that is attack. And that's how he does it. That's Kaleem for you. Anything that's meant to be hit, he will punish them. You can't earn in line or length to Kaleem. He's batting like a dream in this tournament.
2 sixes in this over. Another shot, this time even better. Extra cover is his area. He likes to pepper that area, and that is what he's doing right now. Another loose delivery from Fawad, and it's gone. Coming players into the frame.
Will be taken. Adnan completes the catch. Sid will have the last laugh. Also another, I'll let you know in a bit. Oh, what a shot. That's a cracking hit. There's no stopping this one. Sean Novak has announced.
Thank you, Suhas and Jameel sir. Yes, as soon as we come into the comb box, there is another good-looking shot in his favorite real estate. As there you go, another big hit straight into the hands. This time, Asif strikes one shot too many. Couldn't get the elevation right, couldn't get the distance right, and he.
Just as we say that, another soft dismissal. Kaleem departs at the stroke of 50 against the run of play. He was looking into the party of the Kuwait Warriors. That's nicely played uppishly over the infield between sweeper cover and long off. That's a very well controlled shot in the middle. He had to time it nicely. That's another for the Kuwait Warrior innings.
Has been sliced towards extra cover. They are looking for two. The throw should be at the batsman's end, keeper's end, and he will disturb the stumps. He's gone upstairs, the umpire.
Captain, but still this looks good. If he can just get in time. He's putting in the dive over there, Amir Ali. But the wicketkeeper wins the battle over here. So just one run added to this total for Kuwait Warriors. They will finish on 102 in the 15 overs. A decent enough throw, quick glove work by Rauf. And we'll see the red light as well switching on in a short while from now. Okay, the zoom in. This is how their batting panned out. Zishan Siddiqui departed early. And look at the fall of wickets around Amir Kaleem. Zishan 6, Kutti Rajan 0, Arjun. Very fine bowling performance by the two young fast bowlers of Boshur Busters. Fawad Ali 1 for 30 with Spencer towards the end, but the star in the bowling performance, Bilal Shah.
This one has been played straight to mid-off, a misfield, and they won't go for that run. But it is important that the Kuwait Warriors, the fielders, they back their bowlers. On the pad, he's played that up and over, the fine leg fielder. That's a poor ball to start off with, especially against Prithvi, who's very strong on the onside. Easy pickings for him. He gets a 4.
Higher level. Once again, drifting down the leg side. And another 4 coming from Prithvi Machi. He won't be complaining. Bosher Busters.
Well, that's the only way you can get wickets. If your fielders are not supporting you, you hit the timber, you get them out yourself. Arjun Dhiman strikes. Prithvi Machi. Appeal and given. Well, Arjun Dhiman. What a great comeback this has been. He's got the big man. They're right here and they'll take you through for the next few overs.
Thank you, Shoaib. And what a time to come back. Demon got 2 successive wickets in his over. The match comes in a balance.
Particular game. 15 overs. Gone. This would be the 3rd wicket. Adnan's gone for the glory shot. Calm, collected. Kaleem's picked up another for his side. Kaleem.
The very first ball.
Oh, he slapped it down the ground. There's no stopping this one. Rob has to come good. This is why. Here's an opportunity. Man with the gloves doesn't botch it up. Kunti Raja take a bow. Under pressure, another wicket. Rubel's also among.
Got 4 very, very good wickets.
This is close. This is close and it's given. Rubel's picked up the 5th wicket for his side. This is 2nd for Rubel as well. Amir Kaleem, you have a magic wand. What great captaincy. It's not often. Stylishly played away. That's running away quickly too. 4 for the taking. Rubel misses his mark. Asif has put that away with a sense of ease and elegance. A deep extra. Oh, he's gone mid-wicket and that is flying away. 6 all the way. 50 comes up.
Tossed up, and this is what I was telling you about. A little bit of flight, and that could be flying as well. And that just happened. There was air imparted on the delivery. And Asif is so good at going down on his knee and then...
Big swing and will just clear the fielder. Very important 6 runs in the context of the game. 6.
Game of cricket we're having here. And the sun is out again. He's gone for the big shot. Will be taken. Rubel is celebrating. As Asif will have to make the long walk back now.
White ball.
15 or 7 and it's a wicket at the right time. Kumair Warriors are pulling off a heist here. Fantastic. Will have to be quick and fired in. Oh, that is from the middle of the bat. Fawaz launched it into the skies. Bosher suddenly have turned things around. It ends up, but still a single was conceded. This is lack of experience, which has got them here. That will mean victory for the Bosher Busters. There's no one chasing that ball. It's trickling away.